Good afternoon, YouTube enthusiasts. This is David Salazar here, and one of the things I want to talk to you about is something that it's kind of interesting in a way because you never realize until it actually happens to you. But I had a client who we went to trial on. It was a short trial, it was only 3 days long, and this happened about 2 to 3 months ago. This client, we'll call him Gary. Gary, we went to trial, wasn't a big case at all. During the beginning of the case, my client was asking me how the whole process works. And I said, hey, well, Gary, there's a bunch of rules here, but one thing that you got to remember is something most people don't know. And what is that? And Gary was kind of lost. He was like, what do you mean? What is it that most people don't know? Well, most people, the general public rather, do not realize that you cannot mention the word insurance in trial. So think about that, ladies and gentlemen. Think about that. In the state of Texas, if you're going to trial and you have been hit by somebody and you go to trial because their insurance company refuses to pay, the plaintiff's attorney, your own attorney, can never, ever, ever mention the word insurance or that the other person has insurance because that's grounds for dismissal and a mistrial. So let that percolate for a second. You cannot let the jury know that this person has insurance and that the insurance company is going to pay, not this person individually. So let that resonate for a second. Think about the lobbying that was done to be able to get that to happen in the state of Texas. So no plaintiff's attorney can ever mention it, and if they do, the case can get dismissed or it's considered a mistrial, and the plaintiff will more than likely be sanctioned or their attorney will be sanctioned. So it's a very, very powerful mechanism that the defense bar has been able to create. The repercussions of it are astronomical. Think about it. If you get catastrophically injured by somebody and your bills are $500,000, okay? And you go to court because their insurance is refusing to pay a dime. Well, when they go in there, we can never tell them that their insurance is going to pay and that we're not going to bankrupt the individual. Just think about that. This is something that's pretty complex and the general public doesn't know it, but it's true. And it sucks, but it's true. And I kind of want to let you guys know this because I have no active trials right now and I can freely talk about this stuff, but it's just a very, very unfortunate thing that tort reform has caused in the state of Texas. So if you have any questions, please give me a call. I'd love to kind of point you in the right direction. Please join our Facebook group. Like I said before, this is all about tips and information. If you can, join my Facebook group and watch our other videos. We have a lot of great content out there, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. My name is David Salazar, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.